If you're looking to create engaging content on Skool, you're in the right place. Skool is a great platform for building communities and engaging with your audience, but it's easy to get lost in the shuffle of features. Let's break down how to actually create content that'll keep people coming back for more. The first thing you need to focus on is community engagement. Skool is all about building a sense of community, so you want to post content that encourages interaction. Whether it's polls, questions, or member spotlights, get your audience talking. The more engaged they are, the better your content will perform. But remember, don't just post for the sake of posting. Quality matters just as much as quantity. Next thing, consistency is key. You want to maintain a steady flow of content. Posting regularly will keep your members engaged and make sure your community stays active. But here's the kicker. Don't overwhelm them with too much. Focus on content that adds value and space it out so it doesn't feel like a flood of notifications. The third thing is visuals. Skool allows you to share images and videos, and it's crucial that you make use of them. Simple text posts won't capture attention the way rich, multimedia content can. But here's a tip. Make sure your visuals align with your brand. You don't want to go all over the place with the look and feel of your posts. The fourth thing, think about your content in terms of educational value. Skool's platform is great for knowledge sharing, so create content that's helpful and informative. This doesn't just mean tutorials. It could be industry insights, actionable advice, or even success stories from members of your community. Giving value keeps people interested and helps position you as an expert. Next, don't overlook feedback. If your audience is interacting with your content, ask them for feedback and use it to improve. Create content that resonates by understanding what your members really want to know and share. This also shows your audience that you care about their input, which builds trust. The last thing is to leverage Skool's features like challenges and events to build excitement. These features create a sense of urgency and can spark engagement in ways that regular content can't. If you can tie your content to something people are looking forward to, it becomes much more engaging. Now, if you're wondering whether Skool is the best option for content creation, it has some solid features, but it's not for everyone. While it offers a lot of tools for community management, its customization options are limited. Some users find it difficult to really make their content stand out, and the learning curve can be a little steep if you're just starting out. If you're looking for a bit more flexibility and a platform that has a wider range of customization options, there are alternatives worth checking out. The good news? They also offer free trials, so you can try before you buy. And here's where it gets good. I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial for Skool, plus some amazing bonuses that are only available to our viewers. But I'm not stopping there. Stick around to see which platforms are better suited for creating engaging content that'll take your community building to the next level. So, to recap, engage your audience with interactive content, stay consistent, use visuals, give value through education, ask for feedback, and leverage Skool's events to keep people excited. But if you want more flexibility, check out the alternatives linked below with exclusive benefits just for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore those alternatives if you're serious about making your content really stand out.